I'll guide you through how to create a Telegram channel. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now to do that, first of all, you need to open Play Store. Then you need to check whether your Telegram is up to date. If it is not up to date, then go ahead and update it. If it is up to date, then you just need to tap on open. Then it will lead you to your Telegram account. Now just tap on those three lines on your top left corner. Then tap on your profile name. Then tap on settings. Then tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then tap on edit info. Then on the second option, you will see your channel. Besides it, you will see add. Just tap on it. Then tap on start a channel. Then type the name of your channel. For this case, I'm going to type it Tech Guide. Then you can enter the description of your channel if you want to. Then just tap on that tick icon on your top right corner. Then you can choose whether your channel should be public or private. For this case, I'm going to choose private. Then once you've chosen that, you need to tap on that tick icon on your top right corner. Then you can add anyone to your channel. So I'm going to add this person to my channel, then tap on that icon there. So as you can see, the channel has been created with 1 subscriber. So that's it guys. That's how you can create a channel on Telegram. Now if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.